What do you have?
We have everything.
Okay, can I have some rice, Mentos, and cereal?
Okay. Can I have the rice?
Now that's great. Thank you. The Mentos and the cereal. How much?
The cereal is 5. The mental is 1, and the rice is 3.
Here you go.
Equal.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
What do you have?
We have everything.
Can I have a strawberry and then orange
Okay.
and some rice, please?
And the orange.
Orange. How much is cost? It costs
It's $10.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What do you have? We have everything.
Can you give me 2 bananas?
Yes.
And 1 Oreo?
Yes. Good.
Can you give me some pasta?
Yes.
And some biscuit?
This biscuit. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Can I have some rice?
Sure.
And I would like some mentos.
Okay.
The strawberry. How much is it?
And like $2.
Here you go.
Hello.
Hi.
What do you guys have?
We have a lot of things.
Can I have some rice and some cereal and a croissant, please?
Oh,
Here.
thank you.
Hello. Can you give me a lemon?
Lemon.
Yeah.
Okay.
And salad.
Salad.
What do you want? How about croissant?
Done?
Yeah, finished. How much is it?
It's $3.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you wanting a lemon?
A lemon? Okay.
And some pastas.
A lot of pastas or just some pastas?
Some pastas.
Okay.
And some salads.
Okay.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $3.
There you go. Thanks.
Thank you.
Can you give me some rice?
Okay.
And an apple?
Okay.
1 apple. And 1 cake. How much is it?
$1.
Take it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.